Jamaican women have been leading the way in all areas of national life, including the arts. Holding pride of place among them is the late cultural icon Louise Bennett Cavalli. Miss Lou, as she was affectionately called, was a poet, broadcaster, folklorist, writer and educator. She pioneered the use of patois in literature.
Philosophy sounds like a big word now, but that's what we have in our proverbs. Great philosophy, like cotton tree tumble down, dog jump over it.
Another paragon among Jamaica's art elite was sculptor and educator Edna Manley. She paved the way for the explosion of Jamaica's modern art movement. Manley not only co-founded but also taught at the Jamaica School of Art, now named in her honor, the premier school in the Caribbean for the teaching of visual and performing arts. Ivy Baxter is another of Jamaica's unforgettable women of the arts. She is widely considered to be the mother of the creative dance movement in Jamaica. Baxter was an educator and founder of the Ivy Baxter Creative Dance Group, which produced other noted dancers such as the late Rex Nettleford. Researcher, social anthropologist, ethnomusicologist and folklorist, Dr. Olive Lewin pioneered the preservation of the island's folk songs through recordings. She also formed the Jamaica Folk Singers. And helping to lead the charge across the stage has been actress, author, broadcaster and educator Leonie Forbes. Contemporary women have also been blazing trails of their own. Women like dancehall gospel artist Marian Hall, the first Jamaican female to win a Grammy Award. Author, historian and social scientist Dr. Erna Brodber. Poet and author Lorna Goodison. Sculptor and set designer Lorna Facey Cooper. And musicologist, singer, pianist and percussionist Marjorie Wiley. Jamaica's women have also been leaving their mark and breaking barriers in popular culture. In 1963, Carol Joan Crawford became Jamaica's first Miss World winner. In 1985, Althea Leng became the first Jamaican to cover an international magazine when she graced Essence. By 1998, Jody Ann Maxwell grabbed headlines when she became the first non-American to the Scripps National Spelling Bee. And in 2007, Zara Redwood won the Miss Jamaica Universe competition, becoming the first Rastafarian to represent the island in an international beauty competition. Jamaican women, influential in all spheres of national life.